Here are 10 things you must know about scarves so that you can easily wear them and add a personal and comfortable yet elegant touch to your outfit. And let's not lose sight of one of the advantages of a scarf. It is just so comfortable and so soft. Plus, through this video, I want to show you how easy it is to wear a scarf. Much easier than you may think it is. Personally, I just love scarves and wear them all year long. And I will show you how to wear them in winter, in summer, when you travel, when you have children and babies, and how to buy the perfect scarf without overloading your closet with millions of them. For now, just to give you an example, I have less than 10 scarves that I wear very regularly. I am Aude de Vater and I am a French life coach, and I help you step into your true personal elegance, not mine, not what you see on social media, yours, your own unique elegance that is aligned with who you are deeply inside and that authentically feels good because it's you. And scarves are precisely there to help you give a personal touch to your outfit. So let's dive into this. First, when I talk about a scarf, I mean a silk square or rectangle that you can wear around your neck in many different ways. I say silk, but there are so different fabrics there. Some are natural, like silk, wool, cashmere, cotton, linen, and others are synthetic. I personally prefer the natural ones, but you can find very nice scarves that have a mix of natural and synthetic, or that are purely synthetic. It all depends on the touch and the feeling you have of the scarf on your skin. It must be very comfortable because you're going to wear it somewhere around your neck. So it shouldn't stick or make you sweat. That's usually the synthetic fabric that does that, because normally the natural fabrics make your skin breathe. So that's the first thing. Second, a scarf brings a personal touch. A scarf is an accessory, and accessories are generally there to create the story of your outfit, to create the harmony, the style you are looking for. A scarf will make your outfit stand out because you will bring that personal touch with a scarf. Elegance is not just a good outfit. It is first about you wearing the outfit and glowing who you are through the outfit. That is what makes you elegant, the alignment of you and the outfit. And so, if you're adding a scarf to your outfit just to fit in, just to obey at a certain standard, then the scarf tells no story and doesn't feel as good to wear. But if you consider a scarf to be a facet of your personality and you give yourself permission to wear the scarf that reflects a part of you, then wearing a scarf gives you a chance to glow who you really are. I will tell you how to do that in a minute, but before I go further, please click on the subscribe button of this channel to receive more resources and tips from my videos. You can also join my free elegance list where I share a lot of tools to uplift your lifestyle. The link is below in the description. So, third, there is a common belief that scarves are only for fancy and sophisticated outfits. Before I tell you how to choose the right scarves for you and in which circumstances you can wear them, I notice that many women do not wear scarves because they think scarves are only for fancy outfits, that scarves are only for sophisticated outfits. But this is not true. Wearing a scarf is not necessarily for chic circumstances, even though it can be, and of course it adds a touch of refinement to an outfit. But I must also say that in very elegant circumstances like black tie events where you wear the long dresses, you will see that no scarves are worn. In those specific events, you would rather wear a stole or a bolero on your shoulders than a silk scarf around your neck. So a scarf can uplift a nice outfit, but it isn't so appropriate in very elegant gatherings. And you can definitely wear a scarf in your everyday casual wear. And this is my fourth point. You can wear scarves in your everyday casual wear. I personally wear scarves almost every day in every circumstances. When I go for a walk in nature, when I work on my laptop at home, when I run my errands, when I go meet a friend, when I go out with my husband for a date night, when I take care of my garden. My scarves are my best friends, my best comfortable accessories that I love and that bring me comfort and softness in all situations. And this is my fifth point. You can wear scarves in the winter, obviously. It's obvious that scarves will bring you softness and warmth in the winter cold and fresh days. If it's really cold out there, I choose a pure silk scarf because silk keeps really warm, and I can add on top of it, when I put my coat on, a thick warm woolen or cashmere scarf for extra comfort. You may or may not let the silk scarf be seen, but at least you will feel the difference of having that extra warming silk layer that will keep you comfortable and warm. Silk scarves are really nice for warmth. You can tell you have a pure silk scarf because it warms your throat immediately when you put it on. What I usually do without thinking about it is that I fold a square scarf in a triangle this way, and I put the triangle part on my throat and tie the scarf with its two ends, either in a bow or in a simple knot like this. Now, if I have a rectangle scarf, I'm going to show you in a second. So here's a rectangle scarf. I would just wrap it 2 or 3 times around my neck. This one I can do 2 or 3 times. And according to how long it is, just to be able to make it just a nice knot so it stays well fastened and doesn't bother me in my daily activities. And of course, if you don't have any children to take care of or any tasks that require a lot of movement, you can just leave your scarf on your shoulders, just like this. In this case, it's just there to bring some color to your outfit. Personally, I'm quite busy doing the dishes, gardening, taking care of my grandson, going in and out. I prefer to have a scarf attached that doesn't bother me and that doesn't dip into my cooking in the kitchen, that doesn't fly away when I'm gardening. So I keep it tucked in for at least those circumstances. I also wear scarves in the summer, and that's my 5th point. For the hot summer season, I don't wear silk anymore. I wear natural like cotton or linen scarves like this one. They can be rectangle or square. I always have one either on myself or in my handbag, depending on the weather. It's better than carrying around a bulky sweater in your bag. So I find it really practical to have a scarf in the summer because when the sun is very hot, I can just cover my shoulders a bit to avoid sunburn if I have a top with no sleeves, for example. Or when I go into a grocery store, the air conditioning, can be really cooler than outside, and a scarf wrapped around your shoulders is a good idea rather than catching a cold. Plus, when you don't want to wear it, you can just put your scarf around the handle of your bag, which can give a personal touch of color to your overall outfit. I also find scarves especially very useful when you travel, and that's my 6th point. Wear scarves when you travel. When you travel by train or by plane, temperatures can vary, and a scarf will help you get some warmth if needed around your shoulders. And when you visit a museum or a religious building, especially in hot season, it is a nice thing to have a scarf to cover your shoulders if you're wearing a very light minimal top to respect the place you are visiting. And also, as a mother of 4, I found that having a scarf handy is the best thing when you are outside with your children. And that's my 7th point. I suggest to always have a scarf when you are with your children. If you breastfeed your baby, for example, a scarf is the best thing to do that in public spaces without anybody noticing. And if you have children, you know that there is always a moment where they're cold, they need a blanket, they fall in the water and need to take their t-shirt off because it's soaked. All kinds of situations where you are happy to have an extra scarf in your handbag, just like you would carry a bottle of water or some cookies for them. So now that we've gone through the multiple situations where you can wear a scarf, how do you choose the right one, the one that will blend into your outfit and the one that feels good and soft, but also that makes you feel elegant, even with your children running around, even with the cold out there, even in your busy days and activities? So this is my 8th point. Scarves should match your closet main color palette. First thing, if you are starting out with scarves, wanting to find a couple of scarves for your outfit, I would say that you could choose 3 scarves to begin with. With 3 scarves, you can easily take turns to wear them. To do that, I would invite you to look at the colors of your wardrobe and see what are the major colors in there. Are there warm other colors ranging from orange, brick red to brown, for example? Are there bright pink, yellow, green colors? Are there in the blue or the green palette? You've got to see what you wear the most on an everyday basis and what are the main colors. From that, I would suggest you find scarves that will match most of your closet so that you can wear them in many different combinations. And for that to be possible, I would choose a scarf with deepness and variety and in its pattern and colors. This is my 10th point. Find depth and nuances rather than simple gaudy colors. If you choose a scarf with bright plain colors with no nuance, it reduces the possibilities to match your outfits. These types of scarves will go well with minimalist outfits. The problem I see with these scarves is that they are so clearly styled in their color and pattern that you may end up having enough of these scarves rapidly because they don't blend in so easily to create many different combinations. They can be beautiful, but from my perspective, they can lack some depth and variety in the color and pattern. This is probably not the best choice if you begin to build up a collection of scarves. These pieces are for you when you already have a lot of choice of scarves in your closet. So I would recommend that you find a pattern that includes many nuances of colors. Now, for example, I'm going to show you one I have right now that I wear very, very often. This one that I have had for years has a very interesting color variety. It has deep burgundy red, this orange pink. You see it goes well with this blue. It goes well with this red. It goes well with any kind of brown. Can you see all the possibilities? And that's what we want. And when you choose your scarf in a store where you can touch it, don't just look at the print like a painting, because what you will wear is going to be wrinkled and partly covered. You must see the effect of the scarf folded clumsily, showing all the nuances touching each other. You bring the scarf under your chin and see how the color and patterns makes your face light up, or on the contrary, dim you down. The scarf should uplift your face and not eat your energy and diminish you. The scarf should make you glow and stand out. The scarf should really add a great touch. It tells a story about a facet of your personality. It gives some style to your outfit, and it creates harmony and elegance. So, I hope this video helps. Thank you for sharing and subscribing to this YouTube channel to get more resources about feeling more elegant and confident. And you can also join my free Elegance list for more tips to uplift your lifestyle. The link is below in the description. So thank you for watching.